Happy birthday, Simon.
Happy birthday.
birthday,
Yo,
Simon.
congrats.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys, so much. I really appreciate it.
Happy birthday, Simon. Here's your card.
Thanks, Grandma.
There's $100 in that card, by the way.
What the? Grandma, you're the best.
Yo, this
for
dude's
real.
grandma
Oh
got her
my God.
I know.
$100. No,
Happy
she's
birthday.
cool. She's cool.
Oh,
I like her, bro. She's
congratulations,
cool.
son. Here, let me just take this, okay? What are you doing with my money? I'm just putting it in a safe place for you so you don't lose it, okay?
No, I'm not that dumb. I know you're gonna spend that for yourself.
Simon, it's not a big deal. You can get it later, okay?
Nah, give it back.
I need that money to pay for college. Simon, in today's economy, $100 isn't even enough for gas, okay?
Have you been doing this with all my birthday money?
Simon, of course not. Why would I?
Honey, why is there a box in our room labeled Simon's birthday money?
What?
Yeah, it's got like $5 grand in it. Give that back.
No, give him the money back. Yo, that's his. That belongs